We got a 5-horse Stickney engine here.
About to clean the igniter again.
I have to.
There's fired. Fired again.
One try again.
Fired again. Oh boy. He's running now. There she fires. Makes a nice puff of smoke when she fires. Did that originally have glass around the fuel up there?
They offered the Stickney as a gravity feed.
Uh-huh.
That tank was mounted up on top of the hopper.
Uh-huh.
And the gas would just flow down the mixer. Or they have this fuel pump model.
Uh-huh.
And when I bought it, it didn't have all the fuel pump stuff.
Uh-huh.
So I made the patterns and poured the cast iron for the funnel,
Uh-huh.
the sight gauge,
Uh-huh.
the little priming lever, and for the fuel pump under there.
Yeah. There you go. Priming lever. That's the fuel pump. You can see that's the fuel pump. Anyway, it's the fuel pump model. Oh, I see there is glass in there. I couldn't see that glass from way back. Uh-huh. Very nice. A nice old engine.
See how fast I can find it.